Number 1. Starting with the largest item. When you're facing the daunting task of decluttering an overwhelming space, it's crucial to kick off the process with a strategic move. Start by identifying and tackling the largest item in the room. This can be a hefty piece of furniture, an oversized box, or any substantial object that dominates the space. Why start big? It provides a quick win, instantly freeing up noticeable space and offering a sense of accomplishment. Addressing the most significant item first sets a positive tone for the decluttering journey. Overwhelming spaces often contain larger items, such as furniture or storage units, contributing to this sense of chaos. By addressing these head-on, you'll witness a tangible transformation in the space, making the subsequent steps more manageable. Number 2. Sorting with purpose. Sorting through clutter can be a challenging and time-consuming process. To streamline this step, adopt a systematic approach using 2 essential tools: a trash bag and a donations bin. As you navigate through the items in your overwhelming space, swiftly categorize them into these designated containers. The trash bag is reserved for items that are beyond use, broken, or simply no longer serve a purpose. This immediate disposal clears out unnecessary items, creating a more visually appealing and organized space. On the other hand, the donations bin is for items that are still in good condition, but no longer needed. This step not only declutters your space, but also contributes to a positive cause by passing on usable items to those in need. By having a structured sorting system in place, you minimize decision fatigue and make the decluttering process more efficient. Remember, the goal is to create a space that not only looks organized, but also aligns with your lifestyle and values. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and let us know you're ready for more minimalism content by commenting "I am a minimalist." Number 3. The no-mess method. Now that you've tackled significant items and sorted through the clutter, it's time to delve into the no-mess method. Unlike the common advice of completely emptying a space, the no-mess method encourages a more focused approach. Instead of creating additional chaos by removing everything at once, work within the existing space, taking it one bite at a time. Assess your space and decide on a specific area or a manageable portion to tackle. It can be a corner, a shelf, or even a single box. By concentrating on smaller sections, you maintain a sense of order and prevent the creation of new overwhelming spaces. This method ensures continuous progress without the need to disrupt your entire living or storage area. It's about making consistent, manageable strides toward a clutter-free environment. The key is to avoid delaying progress by thinking you need to do it all at once. Number 4. Sentimental items and Swedish death cleaning. Many overwhelming spaces harbor sentimental items that can complicate the decluttering process. Taking inspiration from the Swedish death cleaning approach, consider curating a designated memory box for these sentimental possessions. This box acts as a purposeful collection of items you wish to pass down to loved ones, allowing you to make thoughtful decisions while you're still around to do so. As you encounter sentimental items during your decluttering journey, ask yourself if these are things anyone would want to keep after you. By proactively creating a memory box, you ensure that significant and meaningful items are preserved for the next generation. This not only declutters your space, but also adds a layer of intentionality to the process. Number 5. Tackling the paper challenge. Paper clutter often poses a significant challenge during decluttering. Whether it's old documents, letters, or miscellaneous papers, the reluctance to discard them can slow down the process. To overcome this hurdle, set aside a dedicated box or pile specifically for paper items. Rather than forcing yourself to make immediate decisions about each piece of paper, focus on the task when you feel ready. This approach allows you to continue decluttering without getting bogged down by the emotional or time-consuming nature of sorting through papers. By creating a designated space for paper, you maintain momentum while addressing this common decluttering obstacle. Remember, the goal is to keep the process manageable and enjoyable. Pairing the task with something you enjoy can further enhance your motivation. There you have it, 5 ways to declutter the overwhelming space. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.